I had to step off camera. Before I started my hype session, okay? Because looking in this mirror, looking in my camera, I'm like, okay, baby girl, I'm feeling you. So, y'all, this unit, I love it. Okay, she has a couple of situations going on, but it is beautiful. Once you get it put on and you get it set how you want to wear it, it's gorgeous. Okay, this is my type of unit. This is the type of hair that I love and I would rock every single day. Of course, I mean, you know, I like to switch it up, but this is the type of unit that I would wear every day. Okay, I haven't felt this good about a synthetic unit in a minute. I don't know, like, and then maybe it's just like the color. I'm glad I didn't order a color unit in this one. I just feel, I don't even know the word I'm trying to go for here. What do I feel? I just feel very pretty. I feel very beautiful. Let's put it that way. This unit just flatters my face very well. I really do like it. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya, for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Perfect Hairline unit from Outre. This is their new Charisma unit. I have it in the color 2. So this unit comes with a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace frontal. It has transparent HD lace and it comes with baby hairs. It is also pre-plucked and the unit does come in other colors if you're not feeling the color 2. It also is safe to use heat on for up to 400 degrees. So once I took the unit out of the packaging, I just kind of inspected it to see what I was working with. We have a lot of lace to work with, as well as some combs in the back, adjustable straps, all that good stuff so you can secure your wig. And it does come with an elastic band as well. Now, the first thing I noticed was the lace. Of course, it was just a little bit on the light side, so I took my foundation stick, went over the lace some, so that way when I placed the wig on, it would melt into the skin and look very seamless. Of course, you know, just blend in all that good stuff. I'm using the olive oil Fix It Super Hold spray as usual to hold my lace in place. And y'all, why in the heck I'm trying to sit here and adjust this lace so I can cut this lace off and all that good stuff, and this lace rips. It rips. And y'all, I promise, with my lace wigs, I am not heavy-handed, because that is my biggest fear, of ripping my lace or putting holes in my lace, which, don't get me wrong, it happens. But I was like, what the heck? So keep in mind, if you're on the rough-handed side, or if you're heavy-handed, or if you just, I don't know, it's a possibility of you ripping your lace, okay? It's thin lace apparently, because honey, my lace ripped, but thankfully it wasn't that bad that I was able to secure it still and lay it with the glue, with the spray, and you can't even tell it's there. So once I got the unit on, I just made a parting space in the middle, finger combed it. I did not use any type of styling tool on my hair. I didn't use a brush, none of that. I literally just did it with my hands, and I love how it looks pulled through like that. Once I did the parting space, it was a little bit higher on my left side, so I did go in with my hot comb just to lay down the hair a little bit, get a little bit flatter surface there so it isn't looking super duper big on the head. I did leave it just a tad bit puffy because I like it to look like it has a little bit of height there. I don't like it to be extremely flat. And yeah, so that was really it, y'all. And it blended so well into my skin that I did not add any baby hairs. And I feel as though she looks very much so blended and looks like she's growing out of my scalp, which I appreciate, because y'all know your girl is not that well equipped when it comes to adding baby hairs to my wigs. They're getting better, but they ain't the best. All right, so I also used some mousse on my hair to lay down the little flyaways, and that was the look that we got, y'all. So this unit also has other possibilities of wearing it in different styles. As the stock card says, you can put a right part, left part, or a braided top. Your girl can't braid, so I am going to do a left sided part for y'all, just show you what that looks like. The only thing I noticed about when I was finger combing it, she shed like crazy. Okay, so it is shed central over here with this unit. It sheds quite a bit, so it probably won't last that long, especially if this is a unit you wear a lot. So I would recommend having some backups, y'all. Have your backup because she sheds just a tad bit much, okay? And I didn't use any tools, so that tells you like, okay, if you're finger combing it, which is barely any pressure, it's gonna shed a little bit on you. Just saying, just throwing that out there. But that was the only bad thing I saw about it. Rating this unit, honey, I give her a straight 9.5 out of 10, almost a 10. The shedding just makes me take that 0.5 off, but this unit is bomb. I love it. I'll put the price right here for you guys so you can see how much this unit cost. And yeah, she's big head friendly, fits really well, love the texture, love how it feels. It's like, it's definitely not silky whatsoever. It really feels like a natural hair feel. I also forgot to say this unit is pretty long on me too, and I'm taller. This unit, I would say probably around 24 to 26 inches long. It is a pretty lengthy unit, so the shorter you are, the longer this is even gonna look on you, and it looks pretty long on me, and I'm 5'7". Thank y'all so much for watching. If you're interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below because I will have a link there for you to purchase. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all. So I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye y'all.